All right, what's good, ITU family, the IT community, and those that are new to our channel? Welcome back to the ITUTv podcast. If you're new here, you've been wanting to get into training, but think I don't have enough money to start. Today's episode is for you. Let's get the YouTube stuff out the way. Make sure you like, comment below, and subscribe, guys, as we have more and more great content for you. But today we're going to talk about breaking down that step-by-step process to go from $0 to becoming a profitable trader. So there's no fluff in this. There's no gimmicks, just the real process, the right mindset, and the strategies that will help you building your account the right way, right? Build yourself as a trader the right way and be able to start taking action today. Let's stop wasting time. Let's take control of our financial future and let's get into it. So step one, let's fix your mindset first, right? The key to success before you even touch your trading account. Let's talk about the number one thing that will determine your success is your mindset, guys. And a lot of people want to start trading because they see the fast profits, the flashy lifestyle. But let me be very, very clear. I'll tell you right now, there is no get rich quick in this game. Trading is a business and you must treat it as such. It's the only way you're going to take this to another level. If you're just doing it for play, guys, you're not going to get the results you're really looking for. It's really going to change your life. It's really going to take it to another level for you. Okay, so here's what you need to do first. Number one, work on that psychology. Understand that trading is a long-term skill. So let's talk about long-term, right? If it's going to take, let's say you've got a 2-year outlook to really build your trading game, but you show up once a week, once a month to get it done, you might as well scratch that out the door, right? If you're not going to commit 365, 300, an hour a day, then it's going to be hard. You guys should know, if you don't already, it's about 10,000 hours taken to even master a skill. So if that's a baseline for any skill, 10,000 hours of commitment, and you're putting in an hour a week, do the math, guys. Come on. So the length it's going to take you to really develop this skill is 100% dependent upon how much time and effort you put in. So think about what trading goals you have and when you want to get them accomplished, and if you're putting in that time and energy appropriately to make it happen. Next, start watching people that help you understand the proper mindset to win in any endeavor. A big person for me is Eric Thomas. I watch him on a regular basis. TD Jakes. A lot of you guys are going to make fun and all this type of stuff with TD got going on. But at the end of the day, the stuff he talks about is applicable. Tony Robbins, Jim Rohn, Brian Tracy, Mark Douglas, right? These guys will help you understand the proper mindsets and disciplines that are going to be required for you to utilize really in any endeavor, but especially in your trading endeavor. And all the free resources. I'm never against you guys using any of the free resources out there. This is not a, rah ITU. This is what helps you get to where you're trying to get to as a day trader, right? And are you utilizing those things effectively, right? Can we bring it all together? You're in the ITU community. How many times are you reaching out to Daniel when you come to mindset issues, when you come to arenas, or areas in your trading journey where you realize there's something wrong with discipline. There's something wrong with my greed. There's something wrong with me being effective, in following my trading plan. Why can't I pay attention? Why can't I, make the adjustment that I need to make? Utilize your resources. Next, learn how to control your emotions. Because if you can't master yourself, you will not master the market. I promise you that. The market's doing the same thing it always does. The problem is you're not doing the same thing you always do. Or you are, and you don't understand how to make the changes that are necessary to make a difference, right, in your trading. So your trading mindset is what, separates those profitable traders from the ones who blow their accounts over and over and over again. So start working on that immediately. You can do that free of charge.
I have something truly special to share with you today. Have you ever dreamt of financial success and didn't know where to start? Look no further than Independent Trading University. At ITU, we offer a diverse range of courses, from Forex basics to advanced technicals, along with comprehensive fundamentals education, mindset coaching, health and wellness guidance, plus stock and crypto trading strategies. That's right. Everything you need for a well-rounded trading journey, all in one place. Our mission is clear, helping you make extra income by learning the art of trading. Join us today at solo.to/independent-trading-guru and take advantage of an exclusive pre-sale. $50 for undergrad students looking to trade part-time, and just $75 for career traders ready to dive in full-time. With ITU, you'll master the art of making consistent income from the markets. This is your chance to start building a brighter financial future. Are you ready to transform your trading game and take control of your financial future? Look no further than Independent Trading University, your one-stop destination for comprehensive Forex education and so much more. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, we've got you covered. We believe in a holistic approach to trading success. Gain a deep understanding of market fundamentals, master your mindset, and prioritize your well-being. We're here to support your growth every step of the way. And let's not forget about stocks and crypto. Discover exciting opportunities and learn strategies to make extra income. The best part? We're running a limited time pre-sale for new students. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to gain the skills, knowledge, and support you need to succeed. Ready to make connections with your financial future? Visit our website at solo.to/independent-trading-guru to secure your spot in our pre-sale today. Independent Trading University, where trading dreams become reality. It's time to start your journey to financial freedom. Don't wait. Visit solo.to/independent-trading-guru now.
Step two, let's get into step two. Find money to fund your account. All right, now we've got the right mindset down pat. Let's talk about the real issue. How do you fund your account when you have $0 coming in? For starters, you shouldn't even think about going live. Let's start there. If you gotten the mindset part down pat and you're already trying to go live, you're messing up. You need to practice. Getting a demo account is free. So let's not make any excuses on why we cannot work on our craft and work on our skill. If you know you have the goal of one day having $1,000 to put into a trading account and you're not actively practicing with $1,000 demo account and learning how to build it, learning how to stick to, your risk management plans and things of that nature, you're not journaling, then you're screwing yourself. That's the real issue. Really, you're already trying to put money in the account to begin with. So for starters, you shouldn't even be looking to go live until you have built a plan and strategy that you have now tested on a demo account for multiple months. Here are 3 realistic ways for you guys to get started. Option 1, sell what you don't need. Right? If I need to get some quick and some easy money, there are some things that I'm sure you have laying around that you don't even realize that you could probably sell and get a few extra dollars on that you can start putting away to be used for funding your trading account. Look around your house, all electronics, clothes, furniture, collectibles. There's money sitting right there in front of you that you just take for granted. Don't make any excuses. Sell your unnecessary stuff online. Facebook Marketplace lets you sell. eBay. Who else you got out there? Amazon, right? There's all types of ways you can start selling some type of product that's sitting around your house that you're not using. If you listen to Gary V, that's another person you should check out. Gary V, he gives you the game on being able to go to garage sales and finding things of value and upselling them, on these different platforms. So if you're just out there making excuses, you're just making excuses and, there's nothing can be done. But for those of you that don't have any excuses, consider these options. I personally went all in. I stopped playing my video games. I sold my Xbox. I stopped playing GTA and stuff. Sold a lot of games because, for me, it was about making this thing happen in real life and getting off the sticks and living the life of my dreams in reality, right? So I don't know which motivation you need, but that drive and that dedication to being able to make this happen for you should come from the goals that you have set for yourself and your family to be able to do what you want to do, how you want to do it, in the future, right? You're starting to develop those things right now. So that's option 1. Option 2, gig economy, making money fast on your own time. Uber, Lyft, Instacart, DoorDash, insta work. Like there's gig jobs out there with flexible hours that allow you to make some extra money on the side. I've seen people raise $1,000 to $5,000 in just a few months by dedicating themselves to a few hours a week in one of these platforms, via their phone, you know, in their free time, in their spare time. So only excuses you have are the ones you make, right? Option 3, saving aggressively, right? Budget, cut unnecessary spending, really, start to make that transition to really diving deep into making, the money that you need to make to fund your trading account. The excuses you have are on you, no one else, but there are options out here for you. So saving aggressively, putting, if you watch Grant Cardone, he has those percentage rules that he lines out where he, puts 40% away for taxes, 40% he saves for investing, and learning to live on that last 20%. Not everybody can do that. So you might have to adjust those numbers accordingly. But if you're like, hey, I need to start taking a percentage of my money coming in to fund my trading endeavors, then you need to start working on that right now. A lot of, great traders have started out somewhere within that $1,000 to $5,000 realm and then just slowly building that account over time. So start thinking about utilizing that for yourself. Okay. Now, how much do I need to start, guys? Like I just said, ideally aim for $1,000 to $5,000 to give yourself a strong foundation. Can you start with 500? Absolutely. But more capital gives you, better risk management and a stronger chance to grow your account. But I'm not saying you can't start with a small account. Like I've told in my own story, I've taken $100 to three to 5,000, but that took, patience, consistency, discipline. It took proper risk management. That I'm comfortable with. Maybe not proper for everybody. Some people only risk, 1% to 2%. But as you learn the skill and you get, a little more comfortable in your demo accounts with how your entries are and stuff like that, you can, push the label a little bit in some areas on certain trades. So I had to learn how to effectively do that to be able to grow a smaller account that fast to make bigger gains, right? So that's understanding what's happening in the market, understanding what I'm looking for to the finite detail. Okay. Now, step 3, get your basic trading setup ready, guys. Now that you got the money saved up, what's next? You do need to get your trading tools, okay? Laptop or desktop, nothing fancy, just something reliable, a good internet connection, right? Wi-Fi, have a good Ethernet, whichever. Get your brokerage account together, right? Again, if you're starting to demo, most brokers have free demo accounts in the Forex space, with, check your low fees and stuff like that. A charting platform. So have TradingView handy, right? They also have the mobile app for trading. So there's almost no excuse. You can use phone, you can use laptop to get your trading done. A lot of people try to say that it's a little harder to trade on mobile due to it's the same candlesticks, right? You just got to adjust, right? Learn to adjust, learn to adapt to different environments for whatever platform you're using. Okay, that's it. You don't need expensive indicators. You don't need crazy gadgets, unnecessary subscriptions. Let's just keep things simple right now. All right. Step 4, use a simple trading strategy. Don't overcomplicate it, guys. The biggest mistakes new traders make is overcomplicating things. You don't need 100 indicators. You don't need 50 different strategies. If anything, you're complicating what you're trying to do. Here's something, an easy one to get started with, right? Trade one market. Stick with something like XPX 500, maybe AUD USD, GBP USD, another really easy one. USD CAD, right? USD CAD and oil, correlate, right? You can find two that correlate real easy. Just stick to something very simple. Identify your trend, right? Understand that the trend of the market is currently in. It's either pulling back and going with the trend or it's changing, trend. So once you've identified that, you understand the direction it's predominantly going in. Use supply and demand zones, right? Looking for that support and resistance areas where the market is bouncing off of and continuing its momentum and then retesting these areas and continuing in that direction. So keep it simple in that regard. Example trade setup is identify a strong support level where buyers are stepping in, wait for price to retest that level, enter when you see a clear rejection, and then set your risk to reward, right? 2 to 3, times your risk to maximize your profit, right? So being smart about this and just being able to follow this consistently and then getting an idea of what it looks like in the long term. Don't overcomplicate it. Remember, keep your losses small, let your winners run, don't overtrade. Quality is always better than quantity. It's not the more you trade, the quality of the trades. Right? Back test the strategy on demo before going live. These are just simple core steps to really kind of get you started and get you going in the right direction. 5, like we said earlier, demo trade first. Test before you risk real money. Now that you have a simple strategy, do not go straight into live trading. First, you need to demo trade. Treat it like real money, because if you don't, you'll start to develop bad habits. And then what happens is now you have to unlearn these terrible habits. By what? Tapping in with Daniel, saying, hey, I've just spent the last few months over trading and I need to get this under control. So that's when you tap in with Daniel and ITU, and he will help coach you through adjusting that mindset, adjusting some of those habits, and starting to build new habits to go along with. Here's how to use the demo the right way. Risk the same amount you risk in your live account. Journal all of your trades. Write down what worked and what didn't. 3, trade for at least 1 to 2 months in that demo account. Maybe even 3, until you get the results you're really trying to get. And you're really trying to build that confidence before you go live. That's the whole objective. What's the goal? Master execution and demo so that when you trade live, you already know what to do.
Welcome to Independent Trading University at ITU. We're more than just an education platform. We're a community built to help you succeed. Trading can feel like a solo journey, but with ITU, you're never alone. Our team is here to support, guide, and push you toward mastery. Technical analysis support, so you can read the charts with precision. Fundamental support, so you understand market-moving news and economics. Psychology support, so you can develop the mindset of a successful trader. We provide the tools you need to thrive: weekly live education, 24/7 community support, and real-time trading setups from experienced coaches. Wherever you are, access the education and mentorship that will transform your trading. Join ITU today and trade with confidence.
And last but not least, go live and treat it like a business. Once you've saved money, learned a simple strategy, and proven your success in demo, it's time to go live. So, pro tips for live trading: don't focus on daily profits. We're always thinking long term. Stick to your strategy. Don't close trades, right? You set a stop, you set a take profit, let it do what it's going to do. Let the market work for you now at that point. We're small, stay disciplined. Review your trades every week to improve. You should be scaling, right? Eventually, you will scale your risk upwards. But in the beginning, you're just building the foundation. So the most important lesson, guys, 1, you won't win every day. Your first months will be full of lessons. And stay patient, stay focused, and treat it like a business. Never forget. I want to leave you guys with this. Listen, just like you, I've started with no money before, no experience, and a hunger to succeed. Now it's your turn. Follow these steps, stay committed, and you can become a trader as well. Want mentorship and real education? Join ITU at myITU.org and start your journey today. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is right now. So let's get to work, guys. We're going to help you along the way and help you kill your journey so you can start being profitable in your trading career. I'm out.